How are you all? Welcome to our math session. Now children, as you know, we are doing chapter 10, addition by carrying over. We finish our part 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today we will be doing addition by carrying over part 5. Okay. What is topic for today? Let us see. Topic is add in horizontal arrangement. Now, in our previous session, we learn about addition in add vertically and arrange vertically and add. Okay. So, today we will be doing add in horizontal arrangement. Let us see how we are going to add in horizontal. Now, children, this is our question. That is 396 plus 4, 5. Okay. So, let us add how. I'll show you how you are going to this. You are not going to arrange them according to 100, tens and unit column. You have to add them horizontally. Okay. So, let us add and see. Now, children, what you are going to do is you are going to add unit with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. So, the number in the units place is number 6 and number 5. Okay. So, we are going to add 6 plus 5. So, let us count and see what answer we get when we add 6 plus 5. 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We get our answer 11. So, what we are going to do is we are going to write our 1 here and 1 we will carry over here. You have to keep it in your mind, the carry over number. You have to keep it in your mind, but here for example I am showing you. So, now children, what you are going to do is you are going to add 9 plus 1. So, 9 plus 1 will be how much, children? 10. Now, to that 10 what I will do is I will add this 4. So, 10 plus 4 will be 11, 12, 13 and 14. So, what I am going to do is I will write here 4 and 1 again I will carry over above 3. Okay. Now, for 3 I am not having any number in hundreds place. Only there is one number 3. Okay. I am not having any other number. In the second number there is only 2 digits, that is unit and tens. There is no 100 place. So, what I am going to do is I am just going to add 3 plus 1. So, what answer I get if I add 3 plus 1? 4. 3 plus 1 will be 4. So, if I add 396 plus 45, what answer I will get? 441. Wait, children, I will use another color. Okay. So, what I will use? Just a second. 441. What answer I got? 396 plus 45. I got 441. So, let us move to the next now. Now, 575 plus 31. Here also what we are going to do? We are going to add units with unit, tens with tens and 100 with 100. So, let us start. What is the number in units place? Number 5 and number number 5 and number 1. Okay. So, 5 plus 1 will be how much, children? 6. Correct. So, here no carryover will be there. Okay. Wait, I will write it down. Okay. So, here no carryover will be there. When we add this 5 to this 1, units with unit, we get our answer 6. Okay. We got the answer in a single digit. So, no carryover here. Now, what we'll do, we'll add tens with tens, that is 7 with 3. So, 7 plus 3 will be 7, then 8, 9 and 10. So, what we are going to do is we are going to write 0 here and 1 we will keep it in the mind, but for you I am writing it here. Okay. So, 5 plus now 1 we will add. Why? Because we are not having any other number in hundreds place. So, 5 plus 1 will be 6. So, 575 plus 31. Answer what we get? 606. Let us move to the next. 664 plus 308. 308. 644 plus 308. So, shall we start? Units with units. Let us add units with units, that is 4 plus 8. Okay, so let us count. After 8 add 4 more fingers, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what I am going to write is, I am going to write 2 and 1 here carry over. Okay, now 4 plus 1 will be how much, children? 5. Now that 5 I will add tens in tens to that tens place. The number is 0. So 5 plus 0 will be 5. Correct. Now here I am not doing any carryover because I have got the answer in a single digit number. Okay. So now what I am going to do, now here we have the number for hundreds place. In both the numbers we have the numbers for 100 place. So what we are going to do is 6 plus 3. So what is 6 plus 3, children? 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I am going to write is 9. So when I add 644 plus 308, I get my answer 952. Okay. Next, 647 plus 56. 647 plus 56. Now what we are going to add? We are going to add units with units, tens with tens, and 100 with 100. Okay. So let us start. 7 plus 6. Now 7 plus 6 is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. After 7 I will add more 6 fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. So what I am going to write is, I am going to write 3 here and 1 I will carry over on 4. Okay. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. Correct. Now that 5 we will add to this 5, that is in tens place. So 5 plus 5 will be 10. So we will add 0 here and 1 we are going to carry over. So 6 plus 1 will be 7. Correct. So when we add 647 plus 56, we get our answer 703. Okay. Now next. 742 plus 9. 742 plus 9. Now children, here the second number is only one number, that is only a single digit, that is the number in the units place. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to add units with units. This 2 we will add to this 9. So 2 plus 9, after 9, 10, 11. So what I am going to do is, I am going to write only here 1 and 1 I will carry over. So 4 plus 1, 5. Correct. Now why we are not doing tens with tens? Because we don't have any number in tens place. Okay. Now in 7 place also, in hundreds place also, number only 7 is there. There is no number. So what we are going to do, and no carryover also. So what we are going to do is, we will write the number 7 same here. Okay. So 742 plus 9 is 751. Next, 547 plus 8. So shall we start, children? Units with units, that is 7 plus 8. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I get my answer 15. So I will write 5 here, 1 I will carry over. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5. Now no number in the tens place. Okay. So now no number in the hundreds place, only one number. Okay. So number 5 will be written as same number, because if there is no number we will consider as 0. So 5 plus 0 will be 5. Okay. So when we add 447 plus 8, we get our answer 555. 609 plus 7. Let us add units with units. 9 plus 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, what answer we are getting? 16. So, we will write 6 here. 1 we will carry over to 0. Now, 0 plus 1, 1. But we are not having any number in tens place to add with. So, 0 plus 1 will be 1. Now, in hundreds place also we have only number 6. So, we will consider as the number 0. The second number will be 0 in hundreds place. So, 6 plus 0 will be 6. So, when we add 609 plus 7, we get our answer 616. Now, next. 742 plus 9. Okay. Now, you might be thinking, why teacher is teaching again and again single number, digit number? Because children, you have to understand that if there is no number in hundreds place and tens place, how you are going to carry over and how you are going to horizontally do this number. Because many times, many children do a mistake. This 742, they add to in tens place or they add in hundreds place. Okay. So, remember you have to add units with units, hundreds with hundred and tens with tens. Now, here you have not made 100 units and tens column. So, you have to remember the number. You have to count like that: unit, tens, 100. Understood, children? Like this is unit and there is no number of tens and 100. So, shall we start now? Okay. So, units with units, 2 plus 9, 10, 11. So, we will write 1 here and 1 we will carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. Now, for 7 what we are going to do, children? I am not going to tell you. Now, you tell me. For 7 what I am going to do? I am going to add 7 plus 0. So, 7 plus 0 will be 7. So, when we add 742 plus 9, we get our answer 751. Now, 199, that is 199 plus 1. Let us add. Now, 9 plus 1, that is units with units. So, 9 plus 1 is what? 10. So, what I will do? I will write 0 here, 1 I will carry over. Okay. 9 plus 1 now again 10. So, again I will write 0 here and again 1 I will carry over here. Okay. So, 1 plus 1, 2. Correct. So, when we add 199 plus 1, we get our answer 200. Now, 278 plus 57. So, shall we start? Now, 8 plus 7, units with unit. You don't have to add, children, 8 plus 5. That will be then units with tens. Units with units you have to add. So, 8 plus 7 is how much? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, for 15, I will write 5. Then what I will do? 1 carry over. Then 7 plus 5. Okay. So, 1 plus 7 will be how much? 8. Now, to that 8, I will add this 5. 9, 10. Yes, children. Count again after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, I get my answer 13. Now, you can add 7 plus 1 and then you can add this 5, or you can add 7 plus 5 also first and then also you can, like, 7 plus 5 will be 12, and after that 12 also this 1 carryover can be added to that. It will make 13. Okay, so I will write 3 here and 1 I will carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. So, when I add 278 plus 57, I get my answer 335. 845 plus 4. Okay. So, shall we add? Units with units, that is 5 plus 4. So, tell me, children, 5 plus 4 is how much? 9. Correct. Now here we got the answer in a single digit number. That means no carryover. So there is no other number to add with tens place. So 4 plus we'll consider as 0. So 4 plus 0 will be 4. Now there is no other number to add with 8, that is in hundreds place. So 8 plus 0 will be 8. So when I add 845 plus 4, I get my answer 849. Now with this, children, I finish my today's session of addition by carrying over part 5. Okay. So I hope you have understood this sum. Now in the sum, teacher has given you questions. So you have to solve it, all the questions by yourself. You will write in your notebook the topic that is add horizontally. Okay. And then you are going to add horizontally and you are going to write the answer in your book. Then you are going to check with the slides that your answers are correct or not. But children, with pure honesty, no cheating. Don't copy the answers from the slides. Copy only the questions from the slides. Now you have seen the video. Try to solve it by yourself. If you are not understanding anything, keep the questions ready for the doubt query session. I will be solving all your doubts. Whatever question you have, whatever query you have, that question in the question, write that question in your notebook and keep it like that only. When you have a doubt query session of maths, you put the question in front of me. I will definitely solve all your queries. But with honesty, you have to do this. Don't copy. If you are not understanding, ask me in the doubt clearing session. I will teach you 100 times till you don't understand. But don't copy the answer from the slide. Try to do it by yourself. Once you have finished, then you can check your answers with the slides. Okay, children? So till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Bye. See you soon in the next session.